Hello, welcome to our channel. I'm really excited that you tuned in today because today, to me, it's something really special because I'm doing Boyang's nails.
Hello, guys.
And yes, it's also his first time, and I really hope. And I think it turned out well. I think he liked it too. That I did his nails, right? So his nails look pretty neat already, so I didn't have to prep them much.
Thank you.
I piled them a little bit and I pushed back the cuticles. But overall, they were really good, and I didn't want to, like do too much on them also, so not to scare him. So I can do it again one day. And yes, we wanted to do really minimalistic, so yeah, let's dive right in. We decided to do the PS4
Yeah.
button, what's it called? Forms?
Like,
Icons on his nails because he likes them very much. It was his idea. And I'm also linking all my material down below. I'm not gonna talk about them too much. Yeah. So while the regular nail polish dried on this hand, I did the other hand, and we decided to do Chinese characters. We did the first four numbers, also really minimalistic, also really nice to practice as a beginner to draw straight lines. It was fun. that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you feel also inspired to do such minimalistic practice on someone else's or even your hands.
And please don't forget to leave a sub and like.
Yes, thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.